So here is a quick demo and review on our Hoover Powerscrub XL pet carpet cleaner. It's been really simple to use and even maintain and so effective. It washes the carpet like a champ, and we do have pets, so accidents on the carpet do happen from time to time, but we haven't had anything that this vacuum couldn't take care of. So we're starting off the demo with some basic maintenance, popping these pieces off, giving them a quick rinse, and all the hair is gone, good as new. And you have this tool as well that scrapes the hair off super easy. Clean the bottom of this as well, and all these pieces snap on and off just like Legos. It's made maintenance a breeze. It's really cool. Next, we'll slide in the container where the dirty water and grime ends up, and above that is our clean solution here. We need to replace this though. Hindsight 2020, add the water first before the soap, but we'll do about 1/3 of a cup of soap and then add some warm water to the fill line, and it's ready to go. So first we're going to vacuum our carpet before we do the washing, and we're ready here. Alright, so let me explain the technique for washing with this vacuum. So you have a trigger on the handle, and when you hold down this trigger, it's going to release a cleaning solution on the carpet. The solution then gets scrubbed into the carpet using the brushes. You can let that sit for however long you want, and then you release the trigger and run the vacuum back over the same areas, and it's going to suck up any of that excess solution. So what I like to do is I'll hold down that trigger and do a full pass on all the carpet, make sure the cleaning solution gets nice and soaked in. You can leave it there for a few minutes, and then I'll come back around and do a second pass without the trigger and just soak up any of the excess moisture. And then from there, you just have to let the carpet dry. So the vacuum does come with an included hose for either like furniture, car seats, or just harder to reach areas. It plugs in nice and simple. And then just like the vacuum, you can spray the solution on and then pass over and suck up any excess moisture. And it has little brushes on the end that'll help scrub that solution in as well. And for our final step, we're going to vacuum the carpet one last time after it's dried. And here you'll see a before shot of the dirty carpet and our clean shot here after we've washed the carpet and vacuumed it, looking so much better. Almost looks like a professional's been here. We're really pleased with the results. We have had stains in the past, and as you can see, they're gone. Our carpet looks in perfect condition, and after everything's said and done, we have this much clean solution left in our vacuum, and there you can see all the grime and dirty water. Anyways, we hope this video is helpful for you guys. We totally recommend this vacuum, and thanks for watching.